We're putting an Oregon brand replacement tip, Oregon Power Cut, part number 30853, in a Forester 24-inch bar. And we had a tip failure at approximately 30 hours. When I bought this bar, I was told that it took Oregon tips, and that it does. They fit nicely, and we're just putting this tip in. Now, as to the value, it's no longer a good deal, because at 30 hours, I'm putting $20 more into this bar, which is about, I'm right there at the Oregon bar to begin with a replaceable tip, and the steel branded bar. So this was really not a good deal, in my opinion. When I was in the sales and service business, I had a supplier that supplied 24-inch Oregon bars with a replaceable tip, and I went through a bunch of those bars and never had any come back with tip problems. So anyway, we're going to replace this tip. Previous video, we ground the rivet out, drove it out. It's pretty easy. We're putting one back in. As you see, it slides right in, no problem. And it comes with 2 rivets, the kit does. And we'll slip one in up through the bottom, maybe. I'll gently bump it in with a small hammer. Okay, we're in, no problem. Now, there are instructions on the package. Basically, take your ball-peen hammer with the divot facing up. Here's one of the 2 that came. One side is flat, one side has the divot. You place your ball-peen in the divot, and then smack that with another ball-peen hammer, and that opens or flares the rivet, and then you of course turn your hammer over and flatten it on out. So that's the procedure we're using, and here we go. Have a look at things here. Seems to be going just fine. I'll give him one more smack, and then I'm going to turn him over. Alright, now, hammer's flat. The rivet's pretty smooth. Plenty of factory grease in this tip. So that's something good to know if your tip goes out. This tip is made in Canada by the Oregon company. I was told that when I bought this Forester bar that it was a knockoff of the Oregon kit. I believe it's, or the Oregon bar, it is made in China. As to the hardness of the bar, the rails, I'm very satisfied with that, but the tip going down with that low hours, I'm not very satisfied with that. So, as upcoming videos go, I am milling with this bar and doing some felling with it. We'll see how long it lasts. Thank you for watching.